Generally what happens is that when your vegetable goes, there will be auction. So like they will take the bitter gourd, like the karela, they will announce it. They will show the quality, and the traders will put like the 10, 20, 30, like that. There will be the auction. So based on the quality, the price will increase, right? So that way the price should be discussed. What happens sometimes is that all traders will collide together. Nobody will call more than 10 rupees. Now, even if the quality is 30 rupees per kg, equal to 30 rupees, it won't go more than 10 rupees. And that is because of the cartelization of the traders and this middleman. And because of that, the farmers gets the loss. So this kind of thing is there. The traders are well organized. They have their association, organization. However, the farmers are not organized. Individually, farmers are taking their produces to the market. So they are getting exploited by the organized thing. Definitely, always it will be the case, whether it is agriculture or anywhere else. The more the people are organized, the more power they will be having. The less you are organized, the less power you will be having. That's true, right? So that is the case here in the marketing. That's why we are talking about the cooperative marketing. Basically, the idea is to institutionalize the farmers, make the farmers organize, so that now the individual farmers who is owner of 1 acre of land, not having that much vocal power. I'm a poor farmer, I'm illiterate, I'm not able to talk or the deal with the traders. But now there is cooperative. I am the member of the cooperative. On behalf of me, who will deal? Cooperative will deal. And cooperative is well organized. Organized means it will be having the negotiating power. So more negotiating power, that will be having the ability to deal with the traders, so they can negotiate. So that way, I will get the right price of my produce. So that is the idea of cooperative, FPO, and these kind of organization. So the point, the thing which will revolve around this marketing, and you will find this idea only you will find in the coming years questions, because we are thinking about what? Cooperative. Why we are thinking about cooperative? In order to organize the farmer who are disintegrated, not organized currently.